this demo, we're going to call out to a large language model directly from within Magic XPI. This allows Magic XPI flows to use all the capabilities of large language models to process text, answer questions, and generate output. So you can see in my project here, standard XPI project, I've added a resource, which is a Claude. You can see I've got a choice of different AI providers. In this case, I've chosen Anthropic Claude. We could also choose Gemini, ChatGPT, or Amazon Bedrock. And then over here, I've given the LLM specific configuration, including my API key and what specific model I want to use. So now if I look in my XPI, standard XPI flow, you can see I'm calling some data, and then I've got in here, I'm getting data, I'm adding it to the context using a data mapper, and then I'm calling Claude. So this call Claude is a step. You can see the step has a prompt that can come directly from a function, in this case, summarize this resume in 2 bullets, or it can come from a function, so I can go and dynamically generate what I want that prompt to be. It has a context, and so that's where it's getting data, and then it has output. In this case, it's outputting into text into a result variable. So what this will do is this will take, and then using the standard data mapping, you can see I've mapped into the LLM context. So the context is the history that the LLM Claude is going to use to answer the question. So in this case, I've taken data that I've found, in my flow, and I've mapped it into the context that Claude is going to use while it's answering the question. So I have my process. Let me go ahead and start this in the debugger. Okay, so you can see my debugger stopped before this, before calling Claude. I can go ahead and look at my context. In this case, this blob contains the context that's being sent in. So you can see it's got a resume that it's sending in that I'm asking it to summarize. And now if I step through, it will actually make the call into Claude. And then I can see here, if I look at my context, I can see I've got a result, and that result is the result of summarizing that resume. So with LLMs, I can use any of the capabilities of LLMs from directly within a Magic XPI flow.